If your neuropathy symptoms are staying the same or getting worse, no matter what you try, here's your why. Your nervous system needs specific raw materials to repair itself, and most people with neuropathy are not giving it those materials. 7 foods. Let's write them down. 1. Wild salmon twice a week, 4 to 6 ounces. 2. Eggs, 2 to 3 daily, keep the yolk. 3. Dark leafy greens, 1 cup per day. Spinach, kale, or Swiss chard. 4. Blueberries, half a cup per day. Frozen can work. 5. Walnuts, 1 small handful, about 14 halves. 6. Sweet potato, 3 to 4 times a week, bake or roasted. 7. Turmeric, always with a pinch of black pepper, half a teaspoon daily. Now you have your list. Now here's exactly why each one is on it. Your nervous system is under 3 simultaneous attacks. Inflammation, damaging the nerve coating from the outside, oxidative stress, like rust forming inside the nerve cell, and blood sugar instability, creating a toxic environment for nerve tissue. Every food on that list fights at least one of those 3 attacks. Some fight all 3. Before I go into the why for these recommendations, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Let's go. Wild salmon hits 2 attacks at once. Omega-3 fatty acid reduces the inflammation attacking your nerve coating and help rebuild the outer wall of every nerve cell. And it's one of the richest natural sources of B12, the same vitamin that rebuilds the nerve's protective sleeve. Budget note, canned wild salmon works identically to fresh, not farmed, wild. It's on your grocery store shelf right now. There's your adjustment to that. Eggs may be the single most complete nerve supporting food that exists. B12, B6, and choline, which your body uses to repair the outer membrane of every nerve cell. 1 egg contains more choline than almost any other food, and it's all in the yolk. If you've been throwing away the yolk, stop today. 2 scrambled eggs with a handful of spinach in the morning. More nerve healing nutrition than most people get in a full day before 9 a.m. 2 nutrients make greens essential. Magnesium, which helps your nerve pain signals turn off. And folate, which is directly involved in building and maintaining your nerve coating. 1 cup of cooked spinach gives you nearly 40% of your daily magnesium need. From food, not a pill. Easiest way to get it in, add a handful of spinach to your eggs every morning. It wilts in 60 seconds. Your nervous system notices it every single day. Blueberries contain antioxidants called anthocyanins that fight oxidative stress, the cellular rust attacking your nerve cells. But here's what makes them different than every other antioxidant food. They cross the blood-brain barrier. That means they reach your spinal cord and nerve roots directly. Most foods never get that far. Half a cup, frozen, every day. As close to a pill as food gets for protecting your nerves at the deepest level. That's the adjustment. Walnuts are the best plant-based source of anti-inflammatory omega-3s. They also slow down glucose absorption after a meal, which directly prevents the blood sugar spikes that damage your nerves over time. If your neuropathy is connected to diabetes or prediabetes, walnuts belong in your daily routine. Every day, 1 handful. That's a snack, not a diet change, a snack. Sweet potato is one of the best food sources of vitamin B6, which your nerves use to send chemical signals to each other. Without enough B6, those messages get dropped. Here's the key comparison. White potato spikes your blood sugar fast. Sweet potato releases energy slowly and steadily, feeding your nerves without the glucose spike that damages them. Same plant family, very different effect on your nervous system. Turmeric contains curcumin, one of the most studied natural anti-inflammatory compounds that exists. It blocks the inflammatory signals attacking nerve tissue at a cellular level. But on its own, your body breaks curcumin down before it can do much. Black pepper fixes that. 1 pinch of black pepper increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Add both to your eggs, add them to your sweet potato, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 pinch of pepper, always together. That's your adjustment. 1 day, plain English. Here we go. Morning, eggs and spinach, blueberries on the side, B12, choline, magnesium, folate, and antioxidants before 9 a.m. Midday, dark greens with walnuts, turmeric and pepper in your dressing. Dinner, wild salmon or sweet potato, cooked greens alongside. Don't try to add all 7 this week. Add 1, just 1. Start with eggs and spinach tomorrow morning. 4 of the 7 key nutrients before you leave your kitchen. Close your eyes. Have someone touch the bottom of your foot lightly with a pen tip, or try your hand if you're alone. Can you feel exactly where, or does it feel dull, like pressure instead of a point? Note what you feel. Come back in 4 to 6 weeks and take that test again. If you've been consistent with these foods and the 4 vitamins from the last video, that test will feel different. That's measurable nerve recovery. You deserve to see it. Subscribe, because next we're going to cover exactly what neuropathy does to your balance and the 5 exercises that retrain your nervous system to find the ground again. Your prescription, tomorrow morning, eggs and spinach. Build from there. Write that down. If what we've discussed today feels like the missing piece to your puzzle, I'd like to invite you to take the next step. You don't have to navigate this journey alone. Click the link in the description below to schedule a personal consultation. We'll sit down together, probably over Zoom, look at your specific situation, and determine if our full recovery protocols are the right fit for you. I look forward to meeting you soon, and I'll see you in the next video.